Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's adventure, we're going to be drawing the one and the only, the cutest, Grogu or Baby Yoda. So, get your pens and paper, and let's get going. Let's start out with the eyes. They are two perfect circles. And don't worry if they're not perfect, because we'll be mostly coloring those in. Looks good. Then we're going to do a nose. We're just going to do an upside down U. And then the smile is going to be like a V. Perfect. Then we're going to do two smaller circles. In each circle, we're going to do a bigger one, and then a smaller one, bigger one, and then a smaller one. Awesome. Then from here, we're going to do top of his head. Looks good. And then we're going to do his eyebrows, which are just going to come up and then go all the way to the top. And then he has a few lines on his forehead. Okay, awesome, looking good. All right, let's get those long ears. We're going to come out. We're going to come down a little bit further. Then we're going to go at a very slight angle up. And with his ears, the longer the better. Come down, then slightly up. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down, curve around, and connect right here, below the eye. Awesome. Same thing on this side. Awesome, looking good. Then we're going to come down just ever so slightly, and then we're going to have him in his robe. So we're going to start off with a little bit of a curve, and then come all the way across, and a little bit of a curve. Awesome. Follow this curve down. Follow this curve down. And then right at the smile, we're going to do a line, and then cut all the way across, and connect. Awesome. Then we're going to come down a little bit, and then we're going to swoop over, and connect. Awesome, looking good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do his arms. We're going to come down, over, and then we're going to do a little triangle, and we'll color this part in later. Okay, we're going to have the rest of his robe come down. It's a pretty long robe. Over. And then on this side, his arm again. Over. Now the triangle. Then down. Awesome. And then right here, do a straight line down. Let's finish off with his hand. We got a little claw there. Comes over. A little claw there, which connects up into there. We can add that little detail in. Same thing on this side. Come down. Little claw. Bigger claw. And connect. Now the only thing we're missing is the inner side, or the inner part of his ear, which is basically just an outline. So We're going to come down, up and over, stop, and come down, and connect. Awesome, looks good. Same thing on this side. Alright, and there we go. That's Baby Yoda. Now all I'm going to do next is just go BAM! And color in, well, next what we're going to do is just color in the eyes, add some color, and then we'll be all done. And BAM! Alright, and there we go. There's Grogu. We just colored in his eyes, added a little shadow along his sleeves, and really, that's it. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to draw other creatures and characters, make sure to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.